Alright, so let's do this together. So, as you can see, my Piper has had its placard painted over. It was like that when I took possession of the aircraft, and, you know, I just thought, it needs a little, you know, Piper symbol there, just because I'm weird like that. So, I'm sure there are a few other people out there that probably think the same way. So what I did was a little bit of research here, and Knots to You. I'm sure you know what that is. Company that sells all different types of airplane parts. I get a lot of stuff from them. Pretty good company. Shipping's pretty quick. And this is a Piper replacement logo. It's kind of the, I don't know if this is the older one. I have no idea. But honestly, it doesn't matter to me. It just looks cool. I like the look, and it looks like it's in pretty good condition as far as the type of material that is used. It's not a little vinyl thing. I bought some vinyl ones thinking, that might be okay, but this is where it's at. So let me open it here. It's hard with one hand. Let's just try the two-hand thing. All right. So it's actually thick. If you can see it, it's a pretty good thickness. It's like a rubber type feeling to it. I'm digging it. And it's adhesive back, and it's got some instructions here, so we'll just go over it. As you can see, I've not put it on there, so we'll see if it works or not. But so the original plate here, it says it's riveted with Cherry Max rivets. And the cool thing about me is I'm lucky is these are flush. They're actually indented a little bit. I don't know how that worked, but hey, I'll take the win. So pretty much this is saying if you have the rivets that are sticking out, just take those rivets out if you'd like. Probably makes it look a little bit better if you go ahead and do that. If you do have those type of rivets. So it's steps 1 through 3 are pretty much, you know, getting those rivets out. It's telling you how to do that. I'm going to start on 4 as a little disinfectant wipe. These little alcohol pads. It's literally just an alcohol pad. Now wipe it off real quick. Make sure all the dirt and gunk is off there, and stick it on. I mean, literally, it's just a really nice sticker. Now, here's the part. That's a little. You can hear it. This thing was 30 bucks, but honestly, it was worth it to me, and it may be worth it to you. You can see it's kind of flashy. It's got a nice little sheen to it. I mean, it is very well made. You're gonna pay like, I don't know, $8, $10, $12 for a vinyl thing. Why not spend a couple extra dollars to get one that will, well, I haven't put it on there, but what I think will last, but the quality is like 100% better than vinyl. Nothing wrong with vinyl. I mean, I got vinyl all over the plane, but this will definitely be an upgrade from the vinyl. And you know, it's like the one place it says Piper on the plane that's, you know, just kind of prevalent. So that's, you know, you spend a lot of time with your plane making sure it looks good and whatnot. Why not, you know, spiff it up a bit? So yeah, it was worth it for me. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna stick it on there, and then I'll show you what it looks like, and hopefully it'll look, yeah, pretty good. So that's what I'm shooting for. Pretty good. Why not? So, all right, let's give it a try. Ta-da! I got it affixed to the plane. Took all of, I don't know, 20 seconds. So I cleaned it off, and oh, I might realign it a little bit better on that side, because why not? I think I've got a little bit of time, so yeah, I'm gonna go and do that real quick. All right, I just saved that one. Woo, this is not meant to come off, which is good. So I suggest take your time, make sure all the corners are lined up, and then, as you can see, there we go. It's on there, and it looks awesome. I am digging it. And, you know, it's not a lot of space at all, especially if you take the time to do the rivets. Not a lot of space at all from the actual aircraft. So, let me swing to the other side again and show you what it looks like. Yeah. There we go. All flashy. Gotta watch out, blind other planes up there in the sky. All right, well, I'm happy. That's like a 30-second DIY spiff up the plane thing. So for $30, why the heck not? Your plane provides years of enjoyment for you. So $30 for a spiffy little placard. I'm digging it. All right, till next time. See you guys.